So it's about 8:30 in the morning. Been riding for about an hour, just a leisurely ride, and I'm at the beautiful Mawgan Porth in Cornwall. It's a little bit overcast, but it's still very pleasant weather for riding in. In fact, I've probably wrapped up a little bit too warm. I've been fueling up on these things here. They're called medjool dates, and they're not like the dates that you get at Christmas in those little packets, sort of dried up, horrible chewy things. These things are amazing. You can buy them in all the supermarkets, and I've probably eaten about 4 of these so far, and they're very, very sweet. And very soft. And they're packed full of energy. So I've been using them instead of bike gels, and I'm going to experiment with them for a few weeks and see how I get on. They're a lot cheaper than bike gels as well. You can get about 8 of these, and these are organic ones, for about £2 in the supermarkets, which isn't bad. Just let the cars go by. Yeah, so for about £2, which isn't bad at all when you consider that your average gel costs at least £1.20 each. So I've just got back from my ride. Beautiful morning, and not super sunny, but quite nice weather for riding. A little bit overcast, but it's not cold, there's not much wind. I went out on the north coast of Cornwall and went to Mawgan Porth and overlooked Bedruthan Steps, and then came back inland, and you can see the distance that I did there, which is 57, just over 57 kilometres. And now I'm tucking into a big breakfast of oranges. And I always remember at school when we used to play football, they'd come out at half time and give each of you half an orange. And at the time we used to think, oh, that's a bit rubbish. But actually, if you eat enough of it, it's good energy food. Then you need to have sweet oranges though. So I bought these a few days ago, and they're now quite ripe and lovely and juicy and sweet. And the food I was using on the ride were these organic dates. You can get them from, I think, any of the supermarkets. And there's actually, I think there are about 12 dates in a pack. And that pack was about £2, and they're medjool dates, so they're a bit different to the ordinary ones you get. They're not sticky on the outside. They're quite big, and they're soft, and inside they're very moist, juicy. So that's the ideal way to start the morning if you've got the morning off work, like I have. Get out there on your bike and you might surprise yourself.
Lifearian.